birthday party right now. Amanda Walsh, but this is doing your request right now. I'm gonna fight you. Say this. Your requested. Get out of here right now. Why is Amanda shouted to the logo? Why is he mad? Well, I want you to do my request. Request right now. I want W to replace them because he's having a birthday party. Well, I'm sorry, Amanda Walsh. It doesn't have a birthday party right now. Amanda Walsh. You have never been my best friend ever since. I am gonna pay you. I've gotta say this. For forcing people to send you. Get it out of here right now. That was just weird, man. Shout it to the logo and why are you mad? Well, I want you to do my request because I want W to replace him because he's having a birthday party. Ed doesn't have a birthday party right now. Sorry, Amanda. This is not gonna work. Now, for that, I'm gonna fight you. You have never been my best friend ever since. I'm gonna pay you. Grounded for forcing people. Cut. Why is Amanda Walsh shouted to the logo and why is he mad? Do my request because I want my request right now. Replace them because he's having a birthday party. Oh, I'm sorry, Amanda Walsh. I've gotta say that you are grounded for to send your request in. Now. That was just weird, man. Cut. Why is Amanda Walsh shouted to the logo and why? Doesn't have a party right now. This is not gonna work. Right now. For that, you have never been my best friend. I am gonna pay you.